The cat's out of the bag, literally. Biltwell made this bag for motorcycles, but it crosses over just fine. Whether it's strapped to a bike or riding shotgun in the truck, the EXFIL-105 is built for the kind of gear hauling that we do. I run a bag-in-a-bag system. Keeps things simple and organized. Shirts, socks, underwear, each in their own gear bag. You know those gift bags you get at events? Don't toss them. Put them to work for you. It's not just for clothes. It's perfect for recovery gear too. Once it's packed, roll the top and lock it down. It's 100% waterproof when sealed, so you're covered. Then hit the FVT, yeah, they call it fart valve technology, to purge the air and compress the load. Weird name, solid feature. Fits in the bed, or right on the hood, or wherever you need it. They call it the EXFIL-105 because it can hold 105 12-ounce cans of beer. I use it for gear, but you do you.